I don't know why I only put two and two together the other day on this one, but everyone uses sales call recordings, right? For market research, for marketing. You take what people say on sales calls, you take the objections they give you on sales calls, the problems they say they're having on sales calls, and you feed them back into your marketing, right? But the problem is if you speak to any sales rep, they'll always fucking tell you that the prospects are always lying to them on calls. The prospects aren't actually telling the truth. There's always smoke screens. There's always objections that aren't actually something else. So the best data you'll actually find on what your customers are really thinking and what they're really struggling with is onboarding calls. Because on onboarding calls, think about it, if you run like strategy calls or you have like a one-on-one call when someone joins whatever you sell, they can then fully open up because they want to get the strategy to actually fix the problem. And therefore, they're actually going to tell you everything on the strategy call. They're probably not actually going to say it on the sales call. So next time you do your market research or you're looking to build your AI models or whatever, use the strategy calls, not just the sales call.